Hi guys, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. Today I'm going to share an amazing remedy for super smooth salon-like shiny and frizz-free hair. And the best part is that it will not cost you more than 20 or 30 rupees. It is the viral Okra or Bhindi gel which is all over the internet. But trust me guys, it leaves my hair so hydrated as if I got a hair spa treatment done. But before we see how to make this Okra gel, please make sure that you follow me on Instagram and YouTube. All the links are given in the description box. So first we need some fresh bhindi. You need to wash it thoroughly and cut out the stem part. Now chop it all in smaller pieces. Okra contains a naturally occurring mucilage which reverses damages done to the hair during heat and coloring treatments. And those who are into Korean skincare would know what snail mucin does to improve skin elasticity and smoothness. So this mucilage found in the okra does exactly same to your hair. So here we have chopped the okra. Now in a pan boil some water and you have to wait till it comes to a rolling boil. After say 4 to 5 minutes, once it starts boiling, drop all the chopped okra into it. This now has to be boiled till the water reduces into half. And after say 9 to 10 minutes, the okra releases all its mucilage into the water. This slime is a clear sign of it. Switch off the flame. So this process took me 15 minutes. The next step has to be done while the okra is still hot. So you have to pour it all over a fine sieve and press hard to extract the gel out. Frankly, it gets a little difficult to get the gel out once the okra cools down, so you have to do it almost immediately after boiling the okra. So here we have the 100% pure homemade okra gel. You need to let it cool down. And after that, we are going to add an essential ingredient to make it even more smoothing. If your hair is extremely dry, frizzy and too damaged, then I highly recommend that you add 2 to 3 tablespoons of pure vegetable glycerin. Glycerin is an amazing humectant that attracts moisture from the atmosphere and locks it down in the hair shaft itself. Now mix everything thoroughly together and here we have our deep conditioning okra gel ready. Now comes the fun part and it is the application. I am damping my hair by pouring some water. You can just spray some as well to make things easier for you. Squeeze out all the excess water. I had filled the okra gel in a squeezing bottle like this one just because the application becomes so much fuss-free and convenient. Now you have to apply this gel thoroughly on the hair lengths and the hair tips because this is where the most damages happen. Guys, trust me, this is so smooth and spreads like a dream. And look at this beautiful gloss. It will make you forget the expensive salon gels and those smoothing products altogether. Massage it well into the roots as well just because it soothes the scalp and helps control dandruff. Now you have to leave it at least for 45 minutes and then go about shampooing and conditioning as you always do. I'm sure you're going to thank me for this gel once you try it out. This is highly recommended guys. Do try it out. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.